Arms House Records.
Greetings, I did have a visit video by just the ever hardest Rossi or Force Rastafari. My name is Agi. Okay, yeah.
That girl, can you handle it? So never go too late like a cigarette. Living the vida loca, now we living no regret.
That tune there, nobody know with that tune there.
Arms House Records.
We got me love it when I'm near her. Jealous mind, give me the finger. I forget up on your body, make it linger.
You what? I love this one. This is Massive from Bailey Brown and Cuz Khalif, my brother. Big up to yourself. This is just wonderful. It's called No Pressure. I love that. Massive to everything. You know what? Let's take this one now from the top. Massive. Big up to yourself all over the
Nobody
world.
know with that tune there.
Arms House Records.
We got me love it when I'm near her. Jealous mind, give me the finger. I forget up on your body, make it linger. That girl, can you handle it? So never go too late like a cigarette. Living the
Okay.
we live with no regrets.
I want to big up to yourself for DJ 10. Trust me. I like that when DJ 10 does that all the time. You know, when he says trust me, you're gonna have to trust that guy because every Saturday you're gonna have to trust it that he's going to do the What's Up Saturdays right here on our Radio, which is just wonderful. Just love that. Big up to yourself 10. And also yesterday, Friday, with SDB himself, Selected Town Blaze. Wonderful session that you did, my brother. Big up to yourself, my sensei, my brother, my colleague. I love that.
All you want you when you're going on top. Tell me thing you never know you like that.
Welcome to Bashman.
We should them who say they have no strength. Let go.
You know, I'm Bashman all the time. I just love Bashman music, dancehall Bashman tapa ting all the time because this is Agi Aflazim Radio.
Just with you, say everything's just with you. Everything's precious. No matter what they say to me, so they're gonna want to bless me. Let them try to get through. Because you're feeling me, I'm feeling you. Because it's amazing.
You know what, Cosmo Khalif, my brother, big up to yourself. What a wonderful discussion that we had, and also for you to allow me to do this remix. And I just love the video that you're just producing for the TikTok. It's just something else that is just a wonderful from your Cuz Khalif, which is I like that. Big up to yourself, Cuz Khalif.
You want a real bad man. Baby, there's no pressure. No matter what they say to you, they're gonna want to bless you. Let them try and get through to you. Because you're feeling me, and I'm feeling you. You see me, God, it's amazing. There's no pressure. When I'm no pressure, yeah.
yo.
Are the topic just us? You can't stop it.
Yes.
Can't stop it just us. At the top it's just us. Are the topic just us? You can't stop it just us. Or if you can't stop it just
That
us.
tune there. Nobody know win that tune.
Arms House Records.
Officially greetings on the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. Rastafari.
Them no one, you reach nowhere. But I'm money over enemy, and that the youth them must say. But right now, at the top it's just us.
It's always a welcome to Bushman. I love that. Massive.
It's just us. At the top it's just us. At the top it's just us. You can't stop it just us. Or if you can't stop it just us. Yeah.
It's a Bushman salary with all gear.
That are the big Benz blast off. Tell Wolf and Sheep to take them mask off. Me no Kevin Hart but me have the last laugh. Now you see me house big with the grass off. Straight cake pop the champagne.
You were.
Go through me gate me spend 100 G fast. Me can't bother with the small talk. Listen this. At the top it's just us. At the top
I just love this one because as the top it is just us as it is us who is also always as the top. I love that about it.
Are the topic just us? Yeah, you can't stop it just us. Or if you can't stop it just us. Call me the $1 million man. You see me, look to the left, you see $1 million hand. Always have $1 million in on my plan. Bulletproof glass when me roll out the van. Where are they now? Me can't understand. Me got shows with the golden shoes. Always I win when me try hard to lose. So at the top it's just us. Are the topic just us? You can't stop it just us. Or if you can't stop it just us.
The boy, the one the money better watch it. Move for me on my phone. Can't give me picnic them now.
Okay.
No boy can't give me no strap over like it. If I no money, me no want hear the topic. Move for me on my phone. Them a waste time, me a think about.
I know Ngoma parody Sharko Square. I just love to do that all the time. It's just about if a big up to yourself all over the world. This is Afro Zibri.
Me wonder where me life would have be. We have spent all money, all like figure. New money not ready yet to consider me. Work hard for me money, give thanks in a free. So me know say the all of the fans they will agree. Dead face.
On the grand scale of things, you know, we're gonna have to do this. I just love to do this. I'm gonna have to do it. You know, I just love this session, this wonderful remix that I did for my brother Kaz Khalifa and the Bailey Brown. That is just a wonderful big up to yourself. I'm gonna have to take this one from the top. Let's just do this massive type of thing. Big up.
We gon' me love you when I'm near her. When I smile, give me the finger. I pick it up on your body, make it linger. That girl, can you handle it? So never go too late like a cigarette. Living the vida loca, now we live with no regret. All of the concentration, I'm okay. I got no stress with you, see everything blessed with you. No matter what they say to me, say they don't want to catch me. But them can't get through to me. Because you're feeling me, and I'm feeling me. And it's still with you, cause it's a real with me. No pressure, no pressure, yeah. In the places when they come, I don't stop. How you want you when you're going on top. Tell me thing, you never know you like that.
just love it when you do a remix for an artist, then you send it to the artist, and the artist actually love it and actually appreciate it, and also actually gives you the rights to do whatever you can do. I just love it. A big gift to yourself about the Kaz Khalif for allowing me to do this remix. This is just wonderful. I just love it. Massive type of thing. A big up to yourself, Kaz Khalif.
No matter what they say to me, so they're gonna want to dance it. But them can't get through to me. Because I'm feeling me, I'm feeling me. Because it's amazing. People come take a shot with me. Late night you won't call for me. I want to
most of the fans that do not know that DJ Aggie is actually more of a rock and roll DJ as compared to reggae and dancehall, because it is music with me. Remember that, like I always say it, music is therapy for me. So welcome to my Ward 5, where I am right now. I was the music on Afro's Radio. Pick up yourself, it's a Saturday.
Concrete Cement Premix. DJ Aggie.
He went. Pick up to yourself the shot clock, my brother. That is wonderful. I love that. And also Jabi. Yes, I will be dropping the tunes at the time as a god. This is large remix by DJ Aggie on this rock version. I just love it.
Elubuza izombe zila uthi nazi impilo ela imoja kudala ngithethe mina ungasongithetha ngithetha mina awukaluhluphi uyangithetha wena ngemali engakho uyangithetha wena ngiyakudala ngithethe mina ungazokutshela ngakubheja mina ngemali engakho ungangimela mina ngemali engakho ungangithetha
Let's take it from the top as always.
Vix Concrete Cement Premix. DJ Aggie, a foundation in this. And when we go to dance, transit.
Cleaning a killer when I'm a little pretty ababa mina. Aukonumu Zagala, Nasinga Nisi Legala, Nangu Pori Abangena Ngada, Nangu Semuya Moshangada, Nangu Mia Babona Ngada, Kabza Korea Kuzada, Elubuza Izombe Utinasi Villa Ella, Imoja Darling, test mina, Ungasongteta Teta mina, Aukalushu Teta wena, Nemalenga Teta wena, Singa Darling, test mina, Ungasokela Pecha mina, Nemalenga Mela mina, Nemalenga Teta wena.
Is going to guitar, shit. Welcome to Rock and Roll on a Saturday with DJ Aggie Bus. It's taking on first zip with a big gift to yourself. You were.
ngaphakamze short kulibani bayingozi yalo mntwana uyangifuna ukuzama izayizona mangangithanda uzeshort.
In reggae music, we call it rocksteady. Massive Temper Ting, you know, rocksteady. This is rocksteady for me. A big up to us.
Yalo mntwana uyangifuna ukuzama izayizona mangangithanda uzeshort mangangivela uzongibona mntwana uyikhrini ngiyakutshela wena ngalichibriti yababa mina awukhona umbuzo engiyobuza kala nasingane zigcwele kala nangupori yabangena ngada nangusemu yamosha ngada nangumiyali yababona ngada kabzasipori yakhuza ngada selubuza intombi zila uthi nazi impilo ela imoto akudala ngiyitest mina ungazongitesta ngakutesta mina awuhlala uhluphu uyangitesta wena
You know what? Still, while we are at it right now, let's just play Wicked D. I just love this one, Chidodo. Manufamba Vajitaura, Massive Temper Ting. A big up to yourself, Wicked D, Shibaba. Yes.
Answer Wicked D, Utakaura, Paura. The Marco Pisa Kunga Paura. The Dana is the Mama, and the Kaputapura.
You have never listened to this song, this sound anywhere ever, except Afrosim Radio, being played by DJ Age, because this is my remix. So big up to yourself all over the world, Massive Temper Ting. Let's do this from the top.
Vix, Concrete Cement, Premix. DJ Age, a foundation in this. And when we go to dance hall, Transit.
I know that's wicked the baddest youth in that industry. What was it never fun? It's all on the man corner. Papa will run to Dono. The ribbon into the border. I am all as it's an order. One day a bit of my roll. I'm the Rastaka among solo. I put the size of solo. Who in the back without the power of I'm a one ball of the Taura. I'm the wicked thing with the Taura. The Marco Pisa Kunga Paura. The Dana is the Mama, and the Kaputapura. I'm a Samba of the Taura. I'm the wicked thing with the Taura. The Marco Pisa Kunga Paura. The Dana is the Mama, and the Kaputapura.
You're gonna have to laugh when we get here. You know, this was just a back in 2011, 2012 about. That was just amazing. About Wicked D, yes. And I'm coming here, you know what? Take it what Dino back in the days. Dino knows it. I like
DJ Aggie, Ajabe, and you know me I represent for DJ Aggie Band Afro Sing Radio. Bust the big tune them, DJ Aggie, bust the big tune them. Answer God.
Paula, the Marco Pisa Kunga Paula. The Dana is the Mama, and the Kaputapura. Honestly, then got it, somebody in a box car, you know, and nothing got it over as a cat, and you know, the pista, my banana, can no massacate. Nobody's gonna come and go on my party, was from now when you went to keep up my party. We are coming to the party. There is soon, Silver and the party, you know, the character.
I've got no idea where it changed from Dino to Buzzcut. Remember those hairstyles, guys? Back in the days. Kwani Dino, kwani Buzzcut or some bus.
What's like I represent for DJ Aggie, the tarantula.
Hold up, we're not done with Wicked the artist. Remember this one with the ends of Aisha, massive temperature. Yaka shaka, yaka shaka.
Binga ya ibo zingarira batonazi pati yaka sheka. Sheka yaka sheka yaka sheka. Adisi kufeka cheka mcheko yaka peka. Sheka yaka sheka yaka sheka. Aiba mahora wati rola nezibora. Sheka yaka sheka yaka sheka. Nasinda msto kama street ya munazo maona. Sheka yaka sheka yaka sheka. Binga yanga irimbani. Koga zumba mta irikati. Ya sheka sheka ya sheka. Kaka tugera kuzeroko. Iri kunga bada bot. Ya sheka sheka ya sheka. Nanga iri yema benzi. Kazuba kutiri nenge pezi. Ya sheka sheka ya sheka. Pariki kina masenzi. Goza kaya kuwanda zima stans. Ya sheka sheka ya sheka. Kumogo chako tane mpinga nyuwani. Mura ulipo kutinga mita ndepi tinga nyuwani. Wada kupinga mageto nestika nyuwani.
Like I said, I'm broken roll, have to make a top of
Kutara, Takinoris, Tuanasha, Kutara, Rakunda Dis, Makunda Shuba, the Pamachizi, Hamuki, Sango Vandangario, the cookies, some of my streets, why am I more than a paper? Some of me from Mazadeva, why is it Papa Mukideva? Sabuda Patena Machepa, Benga Yabo, the Karina Batonazi, Patiaka Sheka, Sheka Yaka Sheka Yaka Sheka, and this is Pufeka, Chekan, Tekoyaka Peka.
You know what, this is smart dance because, you know, sometimes I just find myself just trying to play most of my remixes all the time. Yes, because I love to do that. But remember this, when I do remixes all the time on radio, even off radio, we will put it in the jurisdiction of some DJ, and I love to do that all the time. And given a chance to repeat it all the time.
Peshamisuka sengeshi mashiri kuti ishaka zokuzoshika pamurarira mabuti fata aitarara ari nangora munakiri notari aichamura mabuti ipanitata kwanisa kuti yapageta taburika
Maimoto webeba, kupisa mamini kumbaza beba. Maizi baba mujineba, zabuda pachena macheba. Binga ya ibo zingaira bato.
You wait. Trust me. Big up yourself, DJ Ted. Selected Dun Blaze. Muddy Seaboards.
Nazi bati yaka sheka, sheka yaka sheka yaka sheka. And this is kufeka cheka mteko yaka peka. Sheka yaka sheka yaka sheka. Ayi mama wala mati rola nezibora. Sheka yaka sheka yaka sheka. Nasinda msto kama street ya munazo maona. Sheka yaka sheka.
You know what, we're gonna have to bring back my brother Kaz Khalifa again on this rhythm. Rock and roll, massive type of thing. It's got no pressure. Remember that? I like that. And think of yourself, Kaz Khalifa, Bailey Brown.
I pick it up on your body, make it linger. Bad girl, can you handle it? Turn your back, make it too late like a cigarette. Living the vida loca, now we live with no regrets. All of the
calls and texts to let me know I'm okay. I got no stress with you, see everything's blessed with you.
No matter what they say to you, say they're gonna want the passion. But them can't get through to you. Because you're feeling me and I'm feeling you. And it's too we got is a little bit of your passion. No passion, yeah. In your places when they come and don't stop. While you really when you're grind on top.
What I know in the African culture, most of the people think that working with raw music is associated with millions of money. I just have no idea where people got these ideas from. But working raw is just something else. A big gap to yourself.
All the calls and texts to let me know I'm okay. I got no stress with you, see everything's blessed with you.
There's no pressure. No matter what they say to you, say they're gonna want the passion. Yeah. But them can't get through to you. Because you're feeling me, I'm feeling you. This thing we got is a little bit of passion. Yeah, no passion. We tell her come take a shot with me. Late night you want call on me. I got a feeling, want me get involved with me. Because your body run riot. I will give you loving, pure loving for the night. Take off your dress, girl, with the skin tight. Anything or anything is what you like. You want a real bad man. Baby, there's no pressure. No matter what they say to you, say they're gonna want the passion. But them can't get through to you. Because you're feeling me and I'm feeling you. This thing we got is a little bit of passion. You want me like passion. Yeah. No matter what they say to you, say they're gonna want the passion. Me and I'm feeling you, and it's too we got is a little bit of passion.
Premix. DJ Aggie. Foundation
in to get my good fix. I love this one. Moja bossa baba. Walking raw at this bus. This is a rock steady with DJ Aggie on our first Zim video.
Manzwa kuchema kwetu, mapindura muna mazoedu. Marwa hondo zedu, tiri kushaina nemi, baba tiri kufamba nemi. Mzini mwari wedu mzini, hakuna mumwe wakaita semi. Maita basa baba, maita basa baba, maita basa baba. Kama tushita mbuza, maita basa baba, maita basa baba, maita basa baba. Kama tushita kama mbuza, mzira zedu tajena, magama totisekera hili, satin achera mwera. Atiza anangagera saka hallelujah 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 tina makomborero washika muna makoedu manzwa kuchema kwedu mapindura muna makoedu marwa hondo zedu tiri kushaina nemi baba tiri kufamba nemi.
You know, most of the times when I do remixes, this is how I would have listened to the music. It is my own parallel universe all the time. That's why I do remixes. You know, it's not like the original sound is, but I just love the original sound as it is. It is perfect in its form. But it's just DJ Aggie's a parallel universe when I do remixes. Massive.
Satin achera mwera atiza anangagera saka hallelujah 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 tina makomborero maita basa baba kama tushita kama mbuza Naita
You know the Emma or the DJ Aggie at the time is a reading artist at the time.
Matia mbuza washika mina makoebi manza kute makwebi maindira mina makoebi marwa hongo zebi tiri kushana
Russo, affliction. You belong here in the Mariko Kufu. Kuma, Rinoto, Shinga, Shika Kupu.
Into some talent killer and a genius product. That is something else. Massive everything on
You want to see a Tapisabadiga. I know to sell up at you, but you did up on the wood that I want Wootsie, the notion, and Pa, Uchi, Nekudi, Kufuyaka Posha, put up in the level, Lego Gucci. Una to see your Kaputi Harari, Uchi, Kufu, Rufu. Pasi na kana wanindinga anoti Manyero, kanjiro siya Rondo, ati imire pondo Tondo masa Kera msambo, azizi nyango Nobody know with that tune.
I have to do that. I gotta have to check this one up from the top. This is just something else. This is just amazing. This is Zim Dancehall Rock and Roll remix by DJ Aggie Massive Chapatinga. Greetings to those who are joining me right now on Afro Zim Radio. My name is DJ Aggie Massive.
Flows them so harsh. Vix, concrete cement, premix. DJ Aggie, a foundation in this. And when we really to dance transit.
Kuma, Rinoto, Shinga, Shika Kupu. Teacher Varatita, put it on my Tozera, Wootsie. Upatawara kusema meri pema yuti. Yule pakosi ya Tapisabadiga. I know to sell up at you, but you did up on the wood that I want Wootsie, the notion, and Pa, Uchi, Nekudi, Kufuyaka Posha, put up in the level, Lego Gucci. Una to see your Kaputi Harari, Uchi, Kufu, Rufu. Pasi na kana wanindinga anoti Manyero, kanjiro siya Rondo, ati imire pondo Tondo masa, akitesha nando Kera msambo, azizi nando
Box steady.
Kanjiro siya Rondo, ati imire pondo Tondo masa, akitesha nando Kera msambo, azizi nando Tino fura paka Kala mkati ona kala masiro kuti Susukima doni Kaka
Big up to yourself, selected down Blaze. What a wonderful session that he had yesterday on a Friday. As always, never disappointing all the time. But as DB himself in his physical form, right here on Afro Zim Radio, that was just wonderful. And today, this Saturday, always never disappointing as well. That was DJ Tan with the What's Up Saturdays. I just love those sessions all the time. Remember this, I always say it. If you are part of any WhatsApp group that DJ Tan is part of, and you'll be sharing your music, and you are guaranteed that music will be played right here on Afro Zim Radio about DJ Tan. It's just me. I like that myself.
No, Kera msambo, azizi nando Silent killer, Raya kuita rekila Subwara mapoma no hila Waksha misika sasula Manasha mula Kutora matora Emani unyono Ana sororo Kanda shika suma
DJ Love King, my brother, big up to yourself. Yes, my general love that. Massive sessions always right here on Afro Zim Radio. It's DJ Love King, massive.
Let's go Siva I'm watching Siva So don't make no over Let's go make you go in the public Come make you go in the public But you know there's a come Siva I'm watching Siva I never And you don't see a Pondo But you give me the Pondo Don't go na basa Attention and go Kera msambo Assassin I never And you don't see a Pondo But you give me the Pondo Don't go na basa Attention and go Kera msambo Assassin
No doubt about it, so far I know I paid my dues. Just have to watch my swag, watch my stroll, and step out brave and bold.
Okay, this is 3 miles right about now. This is just something else. You want this to get from this stuff.
That tune, nobody know with that tune.
It's time to shine, it's bam bam bam. Time to shine, it's bam bam bam. Time to shine, it's bam bam bam. I've been thinking about how much I'd lose. Gotta figure how to make my moves. All I got to do is wisely choose. No doubt about it, so far I know I paid my dues. Just have to watch my swag, watch my stroll, and step out brave and bold. Like a boss in control, that's just the way I roll. It's time to shine, and don't care. Critics overjump and fall. Time to shine, and just don't give a damn because the ratings start. Every day. Right now we are going and pop up with one mindset. Now meditate and remarks we have it. Long time. It's a tune and designed to make you dance and sweat. When one duty start, the other one stop. One 9 to 5, the other one don't pick up. Everything composite and it is high rated. Now the blessings stand up and hear things and things. Me know me no perfect, not living my life naive. Joyful endings, in that I do believe. Gotta go harder to get all I need.
Big up to the reggae works, a massive everything and Jennifer Chashia, my sister. Big up to yourself. I just love this music. That is just wonderful. And thank you very much, Jennifer Chashia, for connecting me with a free mind. We had a wonderful discussion. What a wonderful conversation that we had right here on Afro some time back in January 2029. Just makes it big up.
I just don't care what you because the ratings start.
Big up to yourself, but that's love that, and also Chops Tenor. I like it when Chops Tenor does the chop tenor way. I like it.
Hey yo, this is Free Wine for the Day, presenting for DJ Aggie, T-Rex Tarantula of Reggae Dancer and Helmet on Afrozin Radio. The latest DJ around, hear that?
So maybe go on the pants and everything is composite and it is
What a wonderful session it was. Big up to yourself. I'm gonna finish this session with the John Dillinger Massive Everything Jehovah Mupone. I just love this one. Big up to yourself, John Dillinger. That is one of the greatest rock and roll artists to come out of Zimbabwe. John Dillinger himself. Pick up. But Abawai members are also with the poster. You know what? Let's take it up from the top. Big up to yourself, John Dillinger.
Nobody know with that
Massive Everything.
Zambia, DJ Aggie, Bushwa.
gonna say. You know, Jimmy, take it anyway. You know, yeah. You know, you went in there and say, you went down. Oh, necessary. You were Uri,
try to do something crazy right about now. I would John the DJ Soul Massive Tepper.
Alright! That tune there! Nobody know with that tune there.
Because John Olivia himself is a rock and roll artist, and I just decided, let me just do this remix right about now, live here on Alpha Zero. Big up to yourself. Let's just do it. Big up. I like it.
Flows them so harsh. Vix, concrete cement, premix. DJ Aggie. A foundation in this, and when we know what you dance on transit.
You know, you went in there and say, say, iwe uri isihawa.
DJ Aggie, a job big. And you know me I represent the DJ Aggie Van Afro Sing Radio. Bust the big tune them, DJ Aggie. Bust the big tune them. As a God.
Guys, on a grand scale of things, that was a wonderful session that we just had right now on Afro Zim Radio. Big up to yourself from all over the world. Catch me next Saturday when we do this again. Massive tape. Big up to yourself. I just love it.